In the evolution of smart infrastructure, GOWE is redefining the construction landscape with intelligent micro-building machine robotics. Our intelligent jacking system features real-time monitoring of displacement and load, automatically adjusting elevation variances. Starting with precision, upper box girder jacking and swing block resetting, executed with absolute alignment. Simultaneously, lower box girder jacking and resetting ensure structural stability through synchronized motion. For the exterior, the smart Formwork module enables one-click automated opening and closing of external wall templates. Internally, the system is powered by high-precision servo drives, ensuring seamless and efficient formwork management, maximizing safety, minimizing labor, and mastering precision. GOWE. Together, go further.